Why do some businesses seem to have constant IT problems while others run smoothly? And what actually happens behind the scenes to prevent those issues? In this video, we'll walk through how proactive IT monitoring and maintenance works. By the end, you'll understand how many IT problems can be prevented before they impact your team. Hi, I'm Philip with Banks Technology Services. One of the biggest misconceptions about IT support is that it's mostly about fixing things when they break. In reality, a well managed IT environment focuses on preventing problems whenever possible. This video explains what proactive IT support actually looks like behind the scenes. Many common IT issues aren't random. They're the result of outdated software, missed updates, hardware failures, or security vulnerabilities that weren't addressed early. When systems are monitored and maintained consistently, many of those problems can be identified before they disrupt your business. Modern IT support includes continuous system monitoring. This means that servers, devices, and networks are checked automatically for performance issues, errors, and unusual activity. Alerts allow technicians to investigate potential problems before users even notice something is wrong. Another key part of prevention is routine maintenance. Software updates, security patches, and system checks help keep technology stable and secure. Without this ongoing work, small issues can slowly build into larger disruptions. Cybersecurity is also closely connected to prevention. Many security incidents happen because vulnerabilities were left unaddressed. Proactive security tools and monitoring help reduce the chance of those risks becoming real problems. When systems are actively monitored and maintained, businesses typically experience fewer emergencies. That doesn't mean issues never happen, but they happen far less often and are easier to resolve. The goal of proactive IT support is stability, not constant firefighting. If your business feels like it's constantly reacting to IT issues, it may be worth looking at how your systems are currently being managed. We're happy to help review your environment and help you understand what proactive IT support could look like for your business. Reliable technology rarely happens by accident. Behind the scenes, it's the result of consistent monitoring, maintenance, and planning.